Hello, here in Hannover on the show. My name is Michael Eichmann. I'm the Managing Director of RTC. RTC is a company in Germany and we represent the Stratasys in the German-speaking countries. So we have the experience about a long time in rapid prototyping. Today we speak about 3D printing. We start with RTC 12 years ago. And we are focused in Germany on different markets like the automotive industry, electronic components, the medical market, especially the dental, the new digital process in the dental market. So this is a very important market in the German-speaking countries for a lot of suppliers today with these technologies. So what you see today on the show is we had with the Objet machines from Stratasys products in a very high quality market. This is not a low-end machine. We have a high accuracy, we have a fantastic surface quality, and the reason is that these machines are inkjet based machines, and we have a layer of 16 micron we print on the machines. So I like to explain you this part. You see here the functionality. This means this part is printed directly on the machine, and because of the accuracy and the thin layer, we can have functional parts like this. This was the past of the Objet machines we had. Years ago, now 5 years ago, we had the first multi-material machine. It is the Connex series. And in the Connex we have, for example, this very flexible material and a very hard material, a grit material here in white. And all these are printed in one shot on the machine, and you see there are different qualities of materials. So this means we can produce now not only a two-key component model, we have different other mixtures of materials, we call it digital materials, and we can all these mixed materials used in one shot on the machine, in different parts or in one part what we need. So, and one of the applications we use the Codex technology is for example in the medical market. Interesting for planning surgeries. You see here it's from the computer tomography dates, and we get this from the software from the computer tomography, and we can build parts like this to see the bones and the other material. You can cut every area you like to prepare the operation. And now we present here the first time in Germany a colored machine. We can use color. Color means magenta, cyan and yellow on the machine, and other materials where we have today to produce parts in a color mode. The color market is important more and more in the consumer industry for us. We had a lot of customers in the toy industry, for example, in the film industry like to use it, or in the automotive industry to show different parts, special areas in other colors. This is one application. The other application is to use multi-material, flexible materials with black material together with the ABS material, so multi-material materials on one product. So we as RTC consult here in the German-speaking market in different markets. We spoke in the beginning of the interview in the industrial is color not so important, but in the consumer market it's a new market for us and Stratasys with the color material. Yeah, here we see the new machine of Stratasys, the Objet 500 Connex 3. This is a multi-material machine, and we can use in this machine color materials based here on cyan, magenta and yellow. We can use some of them together with the base materials in black, in clear materials in gray and others. And so we have two main applications. The first is color applications, and the second one is multi-material to mix, for example, a hard material with a flexible material in different properties. The main technology of this system is the print head. Here you can see 8 heads and 2 UV lights to generate the speed of the machine. We print here 6 million nozzles per second with 9 pictoliter every nozzle on a resolution of 600 to 600 dpi in X epsilon. No? So interesting is that this nozzle is mixed out of different materials. So we print out of one nozzle 3 pictoliter, of the other 3, and the other 3 pictoliters from the other. And the mix of materials is in the printing process. After printing, we cure it with a UV light. It's a fully curing of the process, means that after the printing process, we can take the part out of the machine. We clean the support structure with water, with a water jet, and then we can use these models in the following process. So this is a material cabinet. You see 4 different materials. We have the magenta, we have the cyan, and we have the yellow base material, and the support. The support is for the underconstructor. This is the 4th material we need to produce the parts.